Hey guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz. We got another pickup, and what we've got is the KYRIE 6 in Oracle Aqua, Black Opti Yellow. As I mentioned, we've got the KYRIE 6 in Oracle Aqua and Black Opti Yellow, and we've got this in a UK size 8, US size 9, and a European 42.5. So props to Nike. If you don't know who Kyrie Irving is, he is the point guard for the Brooklyn Nets, and he used to play for my Boston Celtics, and I'm not his biggest fan at the minute, but I do like his trainers because I've actually played in the Kyrie. I've played in the Kyrie 5 actually. Which, now going on to the box, I mean, this is wild as it is. You can see you've got Kyrie's name all over. It's really bold, really cool, really colourful. Striking features, like, it grabs attention, doesn't it? Let's get this open now. And you got it right on the inside of the box as well, but in black and white. It's got a similar font used with Kyrie. And now as I get the shoe out, it's crazy wild, isn't it? I really like it. I like this colorway. It's really cool. I mean, with that like leopard print strap there. But let's go deep into it now. So we'll start with the outsole, and on the outsole it is a multi-blade like traction. It's all rubber, and the good. Oh, let me talk about the pieces actually. So you've got Kyrie's like little symbol, the Illuminati. He's big into his conspiracy theories, and I mean, Kyrie believed the world was flat, so you know he's filled with like various theories. He's got a signature there, and as I mentioned, it's like a multi-traction feature, and it extends up into the sidewall as I move up when we talk about the midsole. For those that don't know, like Kyrie is well known for his handles and his changing of movement. So you always get, as I mentioned, it goes up into the sidewall. So when he like digs into a small like lateral movement, like digging into the court, he'll do that. So you've got that grip, so he's still able to stand. You've got a multi extension on the heel, so it will keep your heel like tight. I mean, I think that's really cool as well. Really cool orange, and it's like rubber as well. And it's got his signature, his logo at the back there. Really cool. So the upper's all made out of textile. So you got the textile on the toe box, lightweight and breathable. You got a strap just to give you your feet added support. I did like strap yourself in, keep your foot in place. A lot of ankle support. Kyrie's known for a lot of lateral movement, a lot of like just hopefully he doesn't break his ankles whilst he's trying to break another defender's ankles. So you've got that support there. Padded on the tongue as well for comfort. And yeah, this is a really cool trainer, regardless of my opinion on Kyrie at the minute. I think this leopard toe is dope. Obviously if you're playing, play with the like strap that in. We don't want you to have any accidents here at Oneupreviewz. Tube laces and insole as well. Nice cushioning. What more do you want for added comfort? Before I go into wearing them, I just want to mention that it's a Nike Zoom Turbo unit. So you don't have the typical Nike Air, but there is a Zoom unit right encapsulated here on the forefront. And you got it on the back as well, just to, because you need that support. So you got that comfort as well from the Nike Zoom Turbo unit. I wanted to get that right, that's why I was looking at it. Can't wait to try these on. I know it's going to be cool. I'm not going to try and break ankles, but here we go. Cool, so first, not gonna lie guys, it was quite difficult to get on because of the big ankle, but as soon as we got it on, it does fit. There's a bit of space at the front. Some nice, it's like, it does feel like it's hugging your foot, but not too much. I mean, that's what the ankle straps are for, and it is a basketball shoe, so that's what they're made for. They are there to, you know, lock in your feet together. One thing that we find is a bit weird because it feels like the heel is a bit deeper than the rest of it, so it's like a tiny bit of an angle against the forefront of your foot, your forefoot. But I think it's really cool, really nice, like really eccentric because of the leopard. And what more can I say? But cool, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Till next time, peace.